I'm here with Nick Levin, who is a software engineering intern here at RunSignup.
Hello.
Nick, when and why did you join RunSignup?
I joined RunSignup last summer. I just had finished my sophomore year of college, and I was looking for a summer internship. And I was looking on LinkedIn, and I saw a posting from RunSignup, and I was immediately interested. I saw that they were doing web development, and especially in PHP, which is something that I had experience with. And I did some research with them. I looked on the website. I watched the, kind of meet the team videos. And I was very impressed by everybody. Everybody seemed very lively in the office. And so I reached out to them. And then Bruce reached out to me for an interview. And I was welcomed into the team.
See, now you're going to be one of the videos that future interns are watching like, oh, what's this experience like?
That's a strange feeling.
So what is this intern experience like?
So the intern experience, I work from home currently, but I've been welcomed into the office for on-sites. And last summer, I was down 2 times over the summer. They had me in a hotel since I'm a little bit far away. I have a mentor and a boss, and there's a great support network. I feel as an intern that my mentor is always there for me when I have questions. I'm basically just assigned tasks, and if I need help with those, then I can reach out to my mentor who might have help, or anybody else on the team who might have expertise. But yes, I've been assigned a couple of bigger projects and a couple of smaller ones that help me get up to speed with the code base and help orient myself. Yeah.
Now, your mentor, is that someone within RunSignup or outside of RunSignup?
Yes, so that is someone I'm on the email team, so I work mainly within the email builder. My mentor last summer and this summer was Jen. She's on my team, and she's been a great help to me, and am so grateful for everything that she's done for me.
Now, have you interned anywhere else before RunSignup?
I did. My senior of high school, I attended a high school that basically we had a program where every Wednesday we would go into an internship instead of going to school. And so I had an internship for that. It was a tech company in New York City, and it was similar kind of web development type stuff. A little bit larger than RunSignup. I think one thing I've appreciated about RunSignup is that the team is smaller, so it feels like everybody really knows each other and we're all really close. And I feel comfortable reaching out to anybody on my team or even on other teams since I've all, interacted with them.
That's good to feel close to people even though you're working at home. Like,
Right.
what are the ways that you communicate with the team?
When I'm at home, Slack is primary communication. We also have had meetings over, Google Meet, and I frequently will call with my mentor over Slack and maybe discuss a problem or something, and we can work through it over a voice call. Of course, there's also events like this, the developer on site, where everybody is welcome down to the office, and we get to interact with each other and see each other face to face and have that kind of communication. And I found that to be a good balance.
What are some of the projects that you've been working on over the past 6 months?
One of the major projects that I worked on last winter when I interned here was adding a new recipient type to our email system. So we were looking for a way to communicate with the fundraisers that are associated with a specific event, and we didn't have that recipient type built into our email system. So one of the things that I did was add that recipient type, and so now event directors can email with fundraiser specific information like how much each fundraiser has raised or what is their total goal, and that was very helpful for many people.
So what are you working on now?
Right now I'm sort of reworking the flow for building email templates. So currently how we have it is when you save an email template, it exits out of the editor. And a lot of people found that it would be more intuitive to have it save and keep you on the editor so you can keep editing and, intermittently save your changes. So right now I'm working on a way to have that as an option so that you can save without exiting the template builder.
So what are Monday tasks, and what kind of Monday tasks have you done?
So Monday tasks are small tasks that we pick up usually in our development meeting on Mondays, where we kind of talk about what we're working on and what we worked on last week. Um, One of the Monday tasks that I picked up was just a task to add a confirmation before deleting draft emails. We've all had those moments where we've accidentally pressed the delete button and that's not quite what we intended. So I added a confirmation before deleting those draft emails to make sure that's really what you want to be doing.
What is one of the greatest strengths that you see in you guys as an engineering team?
One thing that really impressed me about the engineering team is that everybody is really knowledgeable about something. You know, when I have worked on something that brought me into a different part of the code that I'm not really experienced with, or I saw something similar was done something else somewhere else on the site that I kind of wanted to draw inspiration from, there's always someone who knew exactly what was going on there and was really knowledgeable about that part of the site. And I was able to draw on their knowledge and their experiences when building my own thing. So it always felt like there was somebody who, you know, really knew what was going on in each part of the code base. And especially with a really large code base, you know, that can be difficult, you know, when you're going into a different part of the code base that you don't normally work on. So I really enjoyed that everybody is very good at what they do and everybody is very helpful with each other. Oftentimes I will just, you know, have a call with somebody else in a different team. I work in the email team. I might have a call with Phil from the website builder team to draw inspiration for something that they did there. Yeah.
Anything else you want to talk about today?
I think another thing that really impressed me coming to RunSignup, especially having experience from a prior internship, was the rigorous code review process. I really appreciated how many levels of review there are and how I feel like I can confidently push my changes. And, you know, when a change eventually does, you know, get pushed to the main site, I feel confident that that is a good change and it's refined and there's multiple people that have looked at it and that it will be a good asset to the site.
Well, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Nick.
Hopefully I was able to give good response.
Oh, you're good, man. You're good. The best intern responses we got today.
The only intern response we got today.